This week, Canadian parliamentary calls on China's mistreatment of Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims, genocide. Few years ago, Canada was the first to characterize what was happening to Rohingya in Myanmar as genocide. Canadian Uyghurs feel appreciate and they're expecting the government accepts these recommendations.
How you doing, my friends? Being a Uyghur Canadian, I'm very happy, very proud to hear that Canadian Parliamentary Subcommittee recognizing the mass killing, atrocity, arbitrarily detention of millions of Uyghurs in Chinese-occupied East Turkestan as a genocide. Thank you, Canada. Very great move. At the same time, I would like to ask our government, our Prime Minister, to recognize this mass killing, crime against humanity, as a genocide as well. Stand up, Canada. Speak up against China. Thank you.
According to Globe and Mail, Chinese government responding Canada House of Commons Subcommittee on International Human Rights denied that has committed genocide against the Uyghurs. Canadian scholar and senior fellow at the Macdonald Lawyer Institute in Ottawa applaud strong position of Canadian parliamentary and call Canada cross-party consensus.
Let's face it, Canada does not have any credibility speaking for justice, human rights, and the international rules-based order if we do not start to do the right thing and stand up to China's disgraceful bullying of us. It's time for a cross-party political consensus on this, at least.
According to Reuters News, this week, Saudi boycotts Turkish goods. Two countries has long competitions for supremacy in Muslim world and tension over a range of regional issues including Syria, Libya, and Qatar. Uyghur observers think China could gain diplomatic leverage over these two Muslim countries' regional competition as Saudi may replace the Turkish goods with Chinese goods. Baku-Tbilisi-Kars Railway of Azerbaijan became important transportation of Chinese goods to Europe. Azerbaijan's close relationship with China seen as betrayal by the Turkic Muslims in East Turkestan. The president of East Turkestan Information Center, Rukia Turdish, expressed her disappointment.
Identity of Uyghurs sharply distinct from the identity of Han Chinese in China. They have not only blood relationship with Turks, but also share close linguistic and religious identity with them. Of course, this includes Azerbaijan because Azerbaijan's main population are Turks as well. In this month, 39 countries in the United Nations calling on China respect human rights, particularly regarding the China's extreme human rights abuses against Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims in East Turkestan. Although Turkey did not join the list, but they criticized China alone. But we didn't see Azerbaijan on that list, and we didn't see Azerbaijan criticizing in China. And we know that Azerbaijan is a very reliable partner of China's New Silk Road project. And China killing Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims in East Turkestan because they want to be successful in this New Silk Road project. Ironically, Azerbaijan contributing China's genocide by closely supporting this project. And history will never forget this.